Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, as you can see right now, we have some chicken wings on deck right here. And I got some ginger right here. I have some argo starch, some granulated garlic, and granulated onion powder. Okay? And then I also have a little salt. This is pink sea salt, Himalaya. Alright, I have some soy sauce right here. And I have some Sazon right there, one package. Alright, so let's get right into it. Well, we're going to be showing you how to make the best ever. That's right. Asian Zing Buffalo Wild Wings. Okay? That's what I'm going to be showing you how to make today. Alright, so over here, these chicken wings, I'm just going to throw these chicken wings in this bowl right here. We're going to come in here with a teaspoon of soy. Just like so. Let me get me a paper towel. Should have used that last, huh? Alright, anyway, I'm going to come in here with some ginger. We're just going to use a quarter teaspoon of that. Just like that, guys, okay? So that's that. We're going to come in here with some granulated garlic. We're going to use a half teaspoon of that. This is just giving it flavor. Alright? Coming with some granulated onion. Half a teaspoon of that. Alright. Now we got some salt. We're going to come with a quarter of the salt. Just like that. A quarter. Alright? Because the soy sauce got a little salt in it, and I'm quite sure the Sazon as well. So we're going to take our Sazon, the whole pack, put that in there. I'm going to mix this up. You can do it with your hands or with some tongs or whatever the case may be. You do want your chicken to get room temperature before you go ahead and fry these up. Alright. Alright, let me go ahead and wash my hands off. And I'll be back. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're going to come in here with like 2 tablespoons of starch. Corn starch. So that's 1 tablespoon. I'm using a teaspoon. And that's 2. Just like that, guys. So we got all that stuff together. Just gonna mix that up. Like I said, you can use your hands if you want to. Probably the best method. And I think that's what I want to do. Just like that. Alright. Now you're going to be needing some peanut oil as well. Now I'm using a half a gallon of peanut oil. You don't need that much for this particular project. Just make sure it's like almost close to being halfway in your pot, or you can deep fry it, however you want to do it. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I wanted you guys to see this because my it's kind of wet, so I don't want a wet batter. So I did take some rice flour and I put that in here also, okay? So that you guys know. Because we don't want it super wet. We want to be super crispy. I did add, no, I ain't add nothing other than the rice flour. But I put half a cup, quarter of a cup rather, of the rice flour in there. Alright, take this over there and fry this stuff up. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay guys, let me see if this is ready enough. Okay, it's bubbling. We're just gonna let this cook, guys, for about a good 15 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, it's been like 15 minutes. Time to take these bad boys out. How they looking. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out and toss them up. See you guys in a minute. Alright, I'm just gonna put some of this sauce on here while it's still hot. Give it a quick toss. It's super crispy. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing this for a second, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the plate up. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with these wings. These are the Asian Buffalo Wild Wings. Okay, Zing. This is how they look up close. Alright. That's how that looks. Alright guys. So, if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to make this, just all you have to do is do the recipe. That's all. It tastes fabulous. Guys, go ahead and make this recipe and give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell right here. That's right. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time for VELDOGG's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. God bless. In a minute.